All right, everybody, welcome back to the boatyard. Today we are working on installing the new plexiglass, the acrylic, into this window frame. And this is the hatch for the Salon in the P35. And you can see right here, this plastic, this white color right here, this is the protective film that they put on the glass to protect it. And we've pulled that off in areas that correspond with over here where it's going to be bonded. And what I'm doing now is I am scratching it up a little bit with some 320 sandpaper to give me a better grip. Yeah, what I'm doing now is I'm abrading it, sanding it, whatever you want to call it, killing the shine with some 320 sandpaper to help give it a bit of tooth for the give it a little bit of tooth for the caulk, for the adhesion, for the, what do you want to call this stuff? We'll call this the adhesive caulk. How about that? All right, now I gotta get things cleaned up and we'll get ready to lay this down. This is the Sikaflex 295, which is UV resistant adhesive sealant formulated for polycarbonate glass. The problem I ran across with this is the fact that you need to use a primer before you use this material itself. And the primer is $55 and it's only 250 milliliters, and that is awfully expensive. You know, there's got to be an alternate, I had to say. This is crazy. It would be, you know, over $80, you know, like close to $100 to bond in 2 hatches. I just was having a hard time swallowing that. So anyway, I did some research and I came across this product. This is Dow Corning's 995 silicone structural sealant, mastic silicone structural, blah, 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 structural and protective glazing. Excellent unprimed adhesion is what they say. So that's what we're going to use for this project, is we're going to go with the Dow Corning and we're going to sand the Sikaflex packet. Flip this thing over without causing problems. Alrighty, let's take a close look at that. Well, there's the squeeze out right along their edges there. That all looks really good. We're gonna let that tack off and then we will cut it out and see if we can get all this to act nice. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna just let this do its thing and we'll get back to it. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. It's been 24 hours since we glued the plexiglass into this frame, and everything seems to be nice and set. we're going to see what we can do about peeling off this protective outing covering and getting to the getting all that tape off. Let's see what we got. That's looking nice so far. Yeah, I like what I'm seeing for the most part. Well, there you go. All right, let's peel off this tape and see what we got. Now what we've got to do here is cut through this caulk, cut through this edge right here, trace around, and then pull the protective coating away. We'll see if we can't do that.